In this video, I'm going to show you how to partially close a trade on MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is have a trade open, and you want to find the one that you want to partially close. Now, I'm going to go down here to the bottom to the trade tab, and I'm going to double click on this trade over here, which I want to partially close. As you can see, the size of this one is 10. Now, we're going to close 7, and there's going to be 3 remaining. So, what you can do is simply double click anywhere on this trade, or you could also right click and click on modify or delete order. Now when this opens up over here, what you want to do is change the type over here from modify to instant execution. When you do this, up top you have the volume, so 10 is going to be over here because of course the size is 10 for me. I can just go ahead and close, for example, 7 of these. So I'm going to type in 7 like that, and then I'm going to click on here where it says close and then the order number by 7, etc. Okay, you can just click on this, and whenever you do that, as you can see, I've partially closed the trade. Now there's only 3 remaining in size because of course 7 have been closed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.